Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all had wonderful holidays, and for this first 2021 video, I'm going to be sharing several quick and simple home decor DIYs using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. For the first DIY, I started off by spray painting this glass vase with a white spray paint, and I'm going to be using this cork sheet, and I only want to use half of it since I'm only going to be adding it on the bottom half of the glass vase. And I'm going to be cutting off the excess so I could use it for the next DIYs. Now I'm going to be repurposing this pickle jar. Let's go on the longest journey. For this glass, I'm going for that clay texture look, and I'm gonna be mixing different paints so I could make a specific color I have in mind. Also, I'm gonna be adding some baking powder. Sunset, hopes and dreams and regret. Now it's all the same. Call me out from my shadow self. It's time I can tell. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go wicked water. Wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go wicked water. Wicked drowning water. Once I mixed all of the paints together, I'm only going to be adding a tiny bit of baking powder, not too much. By adding the baking powder, it helps the paint give that clay texture look that I am going for. For this jar, I added 2 coats of paint, and the first one was very gentle, very soft, not too much paint, and for the second coat, I did dab it so it could give it that clay terracotta type of look to it. Once the paint was done drying, I'm going to be adding this leftover cork sheet on top of the jar, just to give it that little pop to it. I found this vase at the Dollar Tree. I thought it was really cute, but I was not a fan of the colors, so I'm going to be using the paint I made for the previous DIY for this vase. There's something about you that's different. I see it in the floral and the greenery that I'm going to use to fill up the vases are from Walmart. 'Cause you're fading on. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me this next DIY, I'm going to be using these little wood houses I got from the Dollar Tree, and I started off by putting them apart. I'm going to be using the same paint I used for the vases for 2 of the houses, and the third one I'm going to be painting it black.
I feel like I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new. And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old side, blinded by the lights. And I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me.
I'm going to be using some of the leftover cork sheet to add onto the black house.
The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. When I'm with you, I am not myself. You bring out the best in me, the side only you can see. And I don't need any other help than you standing by my side. If only for a while. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me.
Okay guys, this is the finishing look. I hope you all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. With all of that said, I hope you all have a great day and God bless.